everyone and welcome to another video on my channel. In this video I want to talk to you about the latest Dior price increase, and I also have a new Dior handbag to unbox with you, which I'm super excited about. I can't wait to see it. I haven't seen it yet because I actually ordered it online and it was my first time ordering a Dior bag online, so I'm super excited to see how the bag arrived and how it actually looks. But before we get straight into the video, I just want to say, if you happen to be new here, hello to you too. My name is Marie and I post new videos every single week. I typically post 2 videos each week and I do unboxings, I do reviews, I do comparison videos, and I talk a lot about designer handbags. So if that sounds like something that you would be interested in, it would mean so much to me if you would consider subscribing to my channel. You just have to hit the red subscribe button down below. Alright guys, before I unbox my new handbag with you, let's talk a bit about the latest Dior price increase. I would also love to hear your thoughts on the latest price increase down in the comments below. So definitely comment down below your thoughts so we can chat a bit more about the latest price increase. But if you don't know yet, Dior increased their prices on 2nd of July, and I personally think the price increase this time was definitely a bit hefty in comparison to other price increases from Dior. Normally their bags increase by like 150 to 200 euro, but this time the mini Lady Dior, for instance, increased by 400 euro. So before the price increase, this bag retailed for 2,800 euro and now it is 3,200 euro. So it is officially a bag that costs over 3k, which is just crazy. And also, correct me if I'm wrong, but in the US I think the price for a mini Lady Dior is almost 4k now. So definitely the price increase was heftier than usually, but I personally saw it coming. I knew that there was a price increase coming our way eventually, especially since Louis Vuitton and Chanel just had their price increases, and the Lady Dior is definitely a handbag for Dior that is their most iconic bag, and I knew that there was a price increase coming our way. But they not only increased the Lady Diors, they also increased the book tote, I think, and a few other bags. I did a few screenshots of before and after prices, which I'll include on the screen so you can see it. But I personally knew that there was a Lady Dior price increase coming our way eventually, and I personally love the Lady Dior so much. It's one of my favorite Dior bags, and actually the only Dior style I'm currently interested in. So I did get a new Lady Dior. Let me grab the box and let's unbox it. So guys, I already mentioned that I purchased this bag online, and I actually never have purchased a Dior bag on the Dior website or anything from that matter. I always purchase everything in the boutique, but I actually went to the Dior boutique just before the price increase. I actually did visit it at the day I also went to Chanel. In case you haven't watched my Chanel shopping video, I will leave a link down in the description box. But after going to Chanel, I also quickly popped into Dior because I wanted to check out their sale, and I also wanted to see what new stuff they had. But they didn't really have anything that I was interested in, and also I think they were pretty low on stock, so I didn't get anything. But that day when I went home, I popped onto the Dior website and I saw a Lady Dior bag that I was completely in love with, and I actually purchased it, even though I normally purchase everything in the boutique, and I did have the option to purchase it through my SA. But since I never purchased anything online, I was super curious to see how the Dior items arrive. So here is the humongous brown box. It is huge and it actually doesn't have a label that says Dior anywhere, which is super nice, I think. And when you open it here, so let's see how it will look on the inside. That's pretty. That's really pretty, but it is a huge box for such a mini box. I already told you I bought a Lady Dior, but let me put out the box and let's see what else they have inside. Let me put this in the back for a bit. So in here is probably my receipt. Yeah, in here is my receipt because there's my address on it. I won't take it out, but there's actually also a paper bag on the inside. Can you see? Let me pull it out. So I think that's actually such I think that's actually such a nice detail that they also include a shopping bag. So cute, and I also love the Dior writing on it. Alright guys, now let's get on to the real unboxing. My new handbag is inside this tiny box. Here you can see the packaging a bit better. I love the Dior ribbon as well as the Dior writing on the box. Let's put off the ribbon. And open this. So here you can see the packaging. My bag is wrapped up nicely. I always want to do this pretty because I am such a sucker for packaging. So here you can see my new bag is inside here, and here you can also see the dust bag. By the way, I don't know if you know, but only the Lady Diors have a dust bag that have a swan on it. I think it is super interesting to know. Let's put it out and let's put the bag on the back. So here is my beautiful new mini Lady Dior, and isn't this color so stunning? Guys, look at this color. Let me do it a bit prettier so you can actually see it. I love this color. Guys, look at this pretty pink color. Isn't it so stunning? Let me put the chain on, or maybe not because it still has a sticker on it, and I just want to show you before. So I got this beautiful mini Lady Dior in this gorgeous pearlescent pink color with light gold hardware, and I think this bag is just to die for. It is such a cute handbag. How beautiful is this color? It almost looks a bit lilac-y, which is so stunning. I love the mini Lady Dior. I already have a mini Lady Dior, but I already have another My Lady Dior too. But I actually really like the mini Lady Dior, and I think it is such a classic bag. Here you can see on the inside it has a flap, and on the inside there's a little envelope with the authenticity card, which is always super important to keep. And on the inside here you can see it has like the classic Dior pattern. It also has a little compartment in the back with a zipper, which is super nice. And actually this handbag is quite tiny, but it does fit everything that you will need with you on a day-to-day basis. So I do really like this bag, and I get a ton of wear out of my mini Lady Dior already. And also I wanted to show you the chain because you can remove the chain, and here you can see it. Isn't this so pretty? I love the chain detailing. It is awesome. Let me pull off the plastic so we can actually attach it to the back. Here you can see it closer. So here you can see I just attached the chain to the bag, and I just love this chain detailing. I love that it has the leather detailing, which makes it so much nicer to carry this bag. And I also think that the chain is so well made because it is also actually super lightweight. It is really comfortable to wear, so I really like the chain, and the bag is just to die for. I love this color so much. I actually have never seen this color in real life, and I'm so mesmerized by it. I love the pearlescent detailing. It is just so beautiful. Actually, I don't know if I mentioned, but it is calf skin, but I think because of the pearlescent finish it will be a bit more hard wearing than the regular calf skin, so I'm super excited with this bag. And as I already mentioned, the mini Lady Dior increased in price, and before the price increase this handbag was 2,800 euro, and I actually purchased it for this price, but now this handbag would retail for 3,200 euro, so it definitely is way more expensive than before. So I'm super excited that I managed to get this bag just before the price increase, and I couldn't be happier, especially since I actually don't have a light pink colored handbag. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching. I'm so in love with my new handbag. It is such a beautiful bag. In general, I really love the Lady Dior. This is my third Lady Dior now, and I know that there will be more colors to come in the future. But this color is just so stunning and so cute, especially in the mini size. I'm obsessed with it. I love the Lady Dior because it has a top handle, but due to the strap you also have the ability to wear it crossbody and as a shoulder bag, which just ticks all my boxes. So I'm super happy with my purchase, and I'm so happy that I also managed to get this bag just before the price increase. I would also love to hear your thoughts about the latest Dior price increase in the comments below. If you liked Dior, give this video a thumbs up, and also it would mean so much to me if you would subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future videos of mine. See you soon. Bye!